Hey everybody, Bananasac here, live from the home base. What's going on? Um, I am doing this intro here because this is like a combination of 5 different videos that's going to be posted right here. And each time I only caught one fish. So I wasn't going to just post a one fish YouTube video, but now that I got like a group of fish and it's going to be like a 10, 12, maybe 14-minute video. So I'm going to put them all together. All bass, largemouth and smallmouth. So enjoy the video and tell me what you guys think at the end. Which one was your favorite? Thanks. My goodness. All right, let's go below. We'll go below, and then if we don't get anything there, we'll cross real quick and go to a different spot. Oh, there's a largemouth right there. Let me get him right now. Oh, my worm is gone. I think it's got a bed right here. I'm gonna get him. I can see him. I can see him. Can you guys see him? He's right there. No, you can't see him. I'm looking. Looks like a pounder, maybe 2. Yeah, probably not even. Oh, it's probably a 2-pounder, I bet. Let's see if he goes after it. He's looking at it. Oh, he just took off. She bit it, but she didn't bite it. I got all this weed on it. She bit it, so let's see if I can get her to eat it now. Yeah, I'm not gonna waste $100 for that then. Come on, girl. I know, I just said, oh, she just swam away. She's gonna come right back. She doesn't want my worm to eat her eggs or whatever she's got here. There she is. Yeah, it's like a bobber. You cast it out. Oh, she ate it, but she ate the tail. Fuck, I thought she had the whole thing. Come on, that's gotta taste good. Some nice rubber or plastic, soft plastic. Oh, she bit the tail again. She doesn't like it now. She spit it out. She didn't actually like get the hook. Whenever should make it smaller. What do you guys think? Make it smaller? Let me make it smaller real quick. Let me pinch some of it off. It's like a maybe 2-pound bass right there. I'll pick that piece up in a second. Yeah, it's fine. I just don't know if it'll go through. Yeah, go ahead. There we go. Got her. Let's go, chat. Told you she was right there. Ooh, she's dark. She's not that big. She's a pound, probably. There we go. Told you she was there.
Yeah. What do you think? You think she weighs a pound? She probably, maybe 2? Nah. I bet she's a pound. Yeah. Look how dark. It's a dark largemouth, you know? I'm going to put her back in. Oh, yeah. She liked that small. As soon as it became smaller. There you go. Spread your jeans. Dumb fish. I can't believe she bit that. No, I'm joking. Oh, I know what? I never reeled in my pole, did I? I never reeled this in. Yeah, it's not deep, but I've caught fish here. Oh, there we go. We got one right now. It's not big. Oh, just lost my line. Nope, we got it. Okay, let's go. He's a little guy. Let's go, Chet. Tiny little guy. I can't believe he ate this bait. I'll show you the bait to the fish. So here's the bass. And there's the, hold on. Look at that. You ate that thing? You kidding me? You kidding me? But there we go, guys. Little chunk of a largemouth. Little largemouth, little chunker. There we go. That's a fish. Let's get him in there. There we go. It barely even hit. I was like, I was watching my lure. So what's up, Fear? Thank you for adding. And no, it's not real. This is a dream. It's only just a dream. And you called it, Skilled Scope. Yep. What's up, D-Money? Yeah, Skilled Scope called it. He's like, this just looks perfect for a bass right here. Like I said, I didn't even know actually, he didn't really hit it hard. I just saw my spinner. I can see my spinner through the water, and it like jerked a weird way where I was like, oh, that's weird. Let's get to the main tree. There we go. Aggie rig's so slow though. Oop, that was a bite. Just got a bite. If I get more bites and no takes, I'll just cut my minnow off, or my worm just a little bit. There we go. Oh! I was just reeling it in to get rid of it. I don't know if you guys saw that. Something went after it right there. We'll just give him another chance. I didn't realize I was so close to the top. I'm not letting this thing sink at all. It's taking longer to sink. Sweet, we got our first bite already. 2 bites actually. There we go. Largemouth. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Just a little one. Right there. We're on the board. Nice little largemouth right there. Here we go. That was quick. Let's go. That's not good service, guys. I'll show you what I'm using. So I'm using a big old whopper plopper. Go with black. Since black's been working lately. Kind of a big one too. What's up, Moses? Oh, there we go. Got one. We got one, guys. Slammed right away. Got one. It's not, I don't think it's big, but we got one. See him skipping on the top? I don't know what I got. I think I got a bunch of weeds with it too. Just a little smallmouth. Or largemouth, holy cow. Just a little largemouth, little fatty. Just a little fatty, guys. We're on the board. Just a little largemouth right here. Nice. That thing slammed as soon as I got it. It must be pre-spawn though. Look how fat this thing is. Let's go. Oh, she's a fatty. Oh, oh, almost dropped her. Nice. There we go. Yeah, guys, make sure you go check out Tech. Perfect timing for catching a fish, right? I'm so used to catching smallmouth here. That was a shock. Oh, let's try that again. Black popper or plopper. All right, guys. Pretty sure I got two bass right here. Got one little one, one big one. We'll go after the big one first. Yeah, I don't know what the biggest soft plastic is. There's so many different brands. I remember last year, or earlier this year, I went to this bass store. It wasn't Bass Pro, it was just like a local big bass place around here. And there were so many. Okay, there's that bass. Wacky rig is just falling. Let's see if he turns. I can't see him now. Okay, I see my bait. I don't see him anymore. Bedded bass are tough to catch though. You gotta hope they actually want what you got. I think it's a largie, yeah. There could be anything in here. Where does smallmouth bed? Do they bed like largemouth do? Or do they do deeper waters? There we go. There we go. It's actually a smallmouth. It's yeah, it's a nice one. Let's go. Look at this. There we go. Nice smallmouth right there. It's probably, yep, this is a smallmouth. That was with the swamp bottom. That was with the swamp bottom wacky rig, people. There we go. Nice smallmouth. About a pound. That was quick. That was like my second cast with the wacky rig. Oh, let it go. There you go. Didn't want to disturb her too long. I didn't want to weigh her either if she's bedding. I don't know if she's spawned yet. Okay, well that was quick. I didn't even see my worm that time. Usually I see it, I'm like, okay, I've cast it there. Now let's catch the other one. I saw two. The other one's little compared to that one. What do you think? That was probably a 2-pound smallmouth? I think so. The other one was right here, and there might actually be more than one bed in this one because this is a giant bed. I don't think a little fish has that big of a bed, right?
Hey guys, thanks again for watching the video. Don't forget to drop a sub. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment on it. I appreciate you guys all for coming in and watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna get back out fishing tomorrow morning, and I'm also gonna go out Friday sometime. So hopefully we get some good content, and I can post another video for next week. So see you guys then. Have a great day.